Hi everyone, welcome to a new video by Original Video Reviews. I'm the OVR guy, and today we're going to talk about the HP OfficeJet Pro 8023 all-in-one printer. Let's begin. Well, boys and girls, what you see here is the HP OfficeJet Pro 8023 multifunctional printer. It can scan, print, copy, send faxes, do lots of things, which I'm gonna show you in this video, and it does everything wirelessly. The HP OfficeJet Pro 8023 is part of the 8020 series, so my review applies to several other models that are sold in different regions. Please don't forget to check the full review on my website www.originalvideoreviews.com, so if there are other things that will come up in the future or questions that you might ask and I'm not gonna show in this video, I'm gonna update this information on my website originalvideoreviews.com. Let's have a look at the printer. On the top of the screen you can see its measurements. I would say it's a big printer for home use and compact for a business environment. To control the printer directly, you'll be using this 2.7 inches CGD touchscreen that can be tilted. The device can scan up to 8 pages per minute in black and up to 3.5 pages per minute in color, and reach a maximum resolution of 1200 on 1200 dpi using the flatbed scanner that is suitable for photos and the document feeder that can store a maximum capacity of 35 pages but is missing an automatic two-sided scanning. I struggle to open the paper output tray, but once it is open, it should hold up to 60 sheets. The paper tray can be adjusted to different size and type of media that will be used for printing. You can check the frequently asked questions section on my full review to learn which media type and size will fit this printer. Now I would like to demonstrate how the printer works. I will print from my computer the thumbnail of this video on a regular A4 paper in normal settings. Now I will scan it using the flatbed scanner in normal settings as well. This is the result. I didn't edit the photo and you can see it in my full review. Let me know what you think. Now I would like to demonstrate a printing of a document. For this demonstration I will use a 2-page user manual of a shotgun microphone that I'm currently reviewing by Comica. I will set the page to be printed from both sides. And now I will scan it using the document feeder. Please note the printer doesn't offer a two-side scanning, which can be a deal breaker for some people. This is the result. I didn't edit the document and you can see it in my full review. Along with the printer came the following accessories. A power cord. Let me show you how to plug it. By the way, at the back of the device are Ethernet, USB and fax ports. I'm not sure how much I'll be using them, but who knows. Also, there are setup ink cartridges. Black, cyan, magenta and yellow. The models for this printer are 912 that should last approximately 300 to 315 pages, 912 XL that should last approximately 825 pages, and 917 XL that should last approximately 1500 pages. I checked the price of the ink cartridges in my region, and let's say that a kit with 4 extra large color cartridges costs almost as the printer itself. It isn't cheap, especially because I prefer to use genuine HP ink cartridges. Along with the printer you also get lots of documents, and I'm not sure why HP wastes so much paper, because the details in most of these documents won't interest 99% of the users anyway. Now I will show you quickly how to set up the printer. As you can see, you can define the menu in many languages. Then you should define your location. And now let's install the ink cartridges. In some cases, like this one, the printer offers how-to videos that should guide you how to cope easily with different scenarios. The videos are short, informative and intuitive, plus you can watch them again from the beginning or from a specific segment. Let's go to the real deal. Make sure to remove this white plastic part from the ink cartridge's placement. Snap the orange plastic part from each of the ink cartridges and place them in this order. Next to the ink cartridges is a reminder of which models are suitable for this printer. If a paper gets jammed in the printer, you should release this part, remove the page, and bring the part back to its place. Now the printer will align the installed ink cartridges and as expected, the alignment was successful. The only thing left for us to do is to connect the printer with the Wi-Fi network. There are several options how to connect the printer. The first one is using an app named HP Smart. To keep this video as short as possible, I will just say that this is a friendly and useful app that will help you to make the most out of the printer using a smartphone or tablet. I'm using the Android version and there's also iOS version for Apple devices. Now I'm demonstrating to you how I print using my smartphone a document PDF file that is saved on a cloud service, in this case my Dropbox account. You can see me using my smartphone to scan the file, and I can save it to my devices, to one of the cloud storage services I'm using, or send it via email. Impressive, huh? I invite you to share your user experience with HP Smart as well. The second option to install the printer is using the HP Smart on a computer. Like the smartphone app, the computer version is user-friendly and works well. Third option is to set up the printer manually. Connect to your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Once the printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network, the blue LED indicator will stop flashing. Now that the printer is finally set, let's see what it can do. The main menu offers the following submenus: Copy, Scan, Fax and Apps. The return arrow symbol at the bottom of the display will return to the previous menu. The home symbol will take us straight back to the main menu. The question mark symbol will get us to the help section that offers a lot of useful information about how to use the printer properly and solutions to frequently asked questions. The top menu offers details about the printer, including the Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi Direct allows connecting a device such as smartphone or tablet directly with the printer. Bluetooth Low Energy, also known as Bluetooth Smart, is intended for setting the printer using the HP Smart app. However, it won't allow you to use the printer with a Bluetooth connection. The printer supports ePrint, HP's cloud service, and allows sending documents via a designated email address. You can check the ink level in each cartridge and control several environmental friendly settings. The copy menu will allow us to choose between copying a document, ID card and photo. Document will copy media that is placed into the document feeder. This option allows a two-sided copy. You can see a preview of what you plan to copy. card allows to print both sides of media such as ID card on the same page. Photo will copy media that is placed on the flatbed scanner. By choosing the scan menu, we can scan documents and photos directly to a device or an email and save them as a JPEG or PDF file. The fax menu offers all the familiar fax functions you can think of. The Apps menu includes additional features such as printing to and scanning from Google Drive and Dropbox, and some useful forms templates that can be printed as well. Now I saved the best for last. This printer works with Smart Assistant services including Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. It is very impressive as I'm about to show you.
Alexa, HP printer skill.
Okay, here's HP printer. Welcome to HP printer skill. I don't see a printer setup yet. I've sent some information to your Alexa app to help you get started with that.
Alexa, ask my printer to print a bingo card game.
I have sent a page of bingo cards to your printer.
Bingo!
Alexa, ask my printer to print Art Therapy.
I have sent a Just Add Color coloring page to your printer.
Absolutely fabulous!
Well, boys and girls, this was my video review of the HP OfficeJet Pro 8023 all-in-one printer. For more details about this printer, please check the description to the video, where you can find answers in the comments and also the link to the full review on my website www.originalvideoreviews.com. The full review is an ongoing review, so I will update it with additional info, including answers to some of your questions, hopefully all of them, and if there are gonna be additional videos, I'm gonna publish them on this YouTube channel, but also I will add them to the full review, so you will be able to see everything in the full review that is published on my website originalvideoreviews.com. After saying that and clarifying everything, I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed watching it, and if so, I invite you to give it a like. Also, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channels, follow me on the other social networks, and visit my website originalvideoreviews.com. I would like to thank you for watching another great video by Original Video Reviews. Until next time, bye bye.